Introducing the Lectrofan Micro, a sound machine with a twist. Enjoy better sleep and portable audio. Use it around the house or take it with you on the road. Lectrofan Micro offers 10 unique non-looping digital sounds for great sleep and Bluetooth audio playback. Using pure white noise, Lectrofan Micro raises the disturbance threshold, masking intrusive sounds. For sleep, relaxation, study, and speech privacy, Lectrofan Micro, a sound machine with a twist.
Remember the last time you needed to send a message or tell someone where you were, but for some reason you couldn't? That's because there were probably too many people around you. Or you were too far from a tower. Or maybe the network was down. And you probably saw this, or one of these. That's all about to change with Gotenna. Gotenna pairs wirelessly with your smartphone, making it possible to text and share your location with anyone else who also has one, even when you don't have service. No need for cell towers, Wi-Fi, or satellites. With Gotenna, you can communicate no matter what. Find friends even when the rest of the crowd is struggling to get their message through. Gotenna's great for travel because it works anywhere in the world. Explore and roam for free. And if there's an emergency, you can send a message to all Gotennas within range. Because here's the thing, cell phones are great, but there's a lot of situations when they're just not that reliable. It's time to start your own network and make no service, no problem. Gotenna.
We love it out there. It's how we meditate. It's a workout and a learning curve. It's our eternal playground. We also know how difficult it is to capture yourself in action. With every action sport bringing its set of unique challenges, nothing generic works. That's why we created AirDog, so you can capture your raddest and most memorable runs effortlessly. AirDog is the world's only self-flying action sports drone, and we've developed AirDog with custom flight modes for every action sport. To understand the unique dynamic of each sport, we worked with world-class athletes. We watched their insane skills and epic moves, listened to their feedback, and engineered it all into AirDog's action sports algorithms. With custom flight modes, AirDog adjusts its behavior depending on the sport to make sure you get a perfect shot while keeping it safe at all times. Surf mode. Instead of wasting battery and footage on your paddle in, AirDog takes off and captures the action when you reach the break zone. Rapid directional changes and rotations are filtered out to give you super steady footage. AirDog makes sure it has enough battery power to return and land safely on the beach by itself. Backcountry snowboarding and skiing. Backcountry action demands extreme precision and sensitivity. And with AirLeash, you get exactly that. Even the most extreme elevation changes won't throw off the ultra-precise tracking. Plus, AirDog notifies you when the battery gets low and gives you enough time to choose a safe landing spot. Mountain biking. AirDog is super compact, making it ready to go wherever you go. Drops, kickers, and epic trails, it's why you do it. AirDog uses LiDAR, a system that will prevent it from crashing into the ground as it flies over terrain that's higher than the terrain that you're riding on. Wakeboarding. Whether you ride cable or boat, we've got you covered. In cable park mode, you just set 2 points along the cable line, creating a path that AirDog will stay on, while following and keeping the camera aimed at you at all times. You can even save multiple flight paths for future sessions. Set the line and go about business as usual. AirDog will automatically land safely on the initial takeoff spot, so no worries about trying to land it while you're in the moment. In wakeboarding boat mode, you don't want the drone to shift with every jump, flip, or rotation. To maintain a smooth shot, leave air leash in the boat and set the length of the rope. AirDog offsets the camera's focus to make sure you always get a smooth and perfectly framed shot. These are just a few sports AirDog is built for. There's more and even more to come. This is why AirDog is the only action sports drone. It tracks, follows, and stays safe in the most amazing places and harshest environments. You avoid the hassle, risk, and cost while capturing your action. AirDog dishes out killer footage from unlimited perspectives, so you can share your passion, improve your performance, and aim higher.